What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jessy here. In today's video, I'll be telling you how the awesome opportunity to check out a grand opening for a ThinkGeek Store, as well as giving you guys my initial impressions on this awesome Hasbro Toys Black Panther replica helmet. Let's check it out. Alright, so quick story. I ended up being in North Carolina over the past weekend, and it just so happened that there was a ThinkGeek Store, an actual store opening up. The ThinkGeek, for anybody that isn't aware, sells all sorts of like crazy nerdy things online. They also have some locations inside of GameStops. And it's select GameStops around the country. This is actually the first standalone store that I've ever come across, and would just so happen to be the grand opening, so figured let's head on over there and check it out. It was really freaking cool. There is a ton of awesome stuff there, and it's all pretty much the same price that you're gonna find online for everything. The Black Panther helmet that I ended up picking up is $100. That's the same price that it is over on Amazon and any other store that you're gonna typically find that online. That is the retail price. So it was great to see that it wasn't like price gouged out the door from picking it up from those guys. I also, from the day, ended up getting a patch, a ThinkGeek patch, which is the grand opening 2018, as well as a nice heavy metal pin that I'll probably never wear, but it's pretty cool to have nonetheless. All right, so this is the Hasbro Toys Marvel Legendary Series Black Panther replica helmet. This is pretty friggin' cool. This is the replica from the Black Panther movie, as well as Infinity War. This is not from the first Civil War version of the Black Panther mask. This thing is a lot cooler than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. It is a little large, but once I'm wearing it, it doesn't feel that large. For some reason, I feel like this just seems like it's big. Maybe comparable or too big compared to what you might see in the movie, but once I put it on, it's pretty friggin' cool. It has light up effects. There's a button on the side to give you a nice vibranium glow here. It takes 3 AA batteries, which are located in the bottom of the helmet. There's a little slot here that I can pop open and then unscrew a hinge and install the batteries. So that's an on-off switch. Also, you'll notice here there's like a lens that can pop down as well as pop open so that you can see out of it, and then close it on down as well, which is really cool. And I think actually the lights react. Is that true? There's no sound effects. Yeah, there is. It does react. So look at, if I lift up the eyes, sorry, I'm watching the monitor here, and then drop this, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The back is adjustable as well. So if you have, I have a slightly big head. It's probably about 24-inch around head. There's foam padding in here that you can remove, just like all of their other helmets. And there's a little eyepiece thing, a rubber eyepiece bit on the inside that you, I believe, can remove as well. But that's there to, again, help keep it positioned on your face. This is, again, probably the, let me count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, I think, the 7th, yeah, the 7th Hasbro Toy Legendary Series replica prop that I picked up from these guys, and they are just flat out awesome. They're all typically $100 or less, all depending on when you grab them. And yeah, I mean, the quality of these is just phenomenal. I still think I want to 3D print my own and finish one, but for $100, this is going to be an awesome display piece for me to have back here. If you're interested in cosplaying as Black Panther, obviously this is an awesome go-to solution for you guys. What I would be interested in seeing is if there is a way I can hardwire this to just, maybe if I press and hold, it will just leave this illuminated versus having it automatically flicker and turn on and off. I do think it's nice to have that little visor bit there that you can open and close, but still, yeah, I think this is just a really cool piece here. I'll put it on so you guys can see that as well. There we go. Now I can see really well. Obviously, there's no lens in here, just goes straight back to my eyes. So again, if you're at a con or anything like that, that would be really good for that reason there. And then I can press the button. Pretty freaking cool. I'm all powered up. I'm all juiced up and ready to discharge this vibranium energy. It is pretty hot in there though. Just for some comparison, here is a side-by-side with the Iron Man helmet, with the Black Panther helmet here. They're actually just about the same size, so I've got to stop pressing the button there. Or just take the batteries out of this thing already. All in all, this is a really awesome replica prop for, again, $100, which is a really great price for something that you can use for cons, wearing around your house, or just leaving on display like I'm planning on doing here behind me. So again, just another really nice entry to the Hasbro Toys Legendary series of replica props. I really can't wait to see what they put out next year. I'm hoping it's gonna be an Iron Man gauntlet. Man, I really want a really kick-ass arm, an Iron Man arm that I can put on display and wear around and when I'm on conference calls and yelling at my kids and hanging out outside, mowing the lawn. Alright you guys, I just want to say thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Leave me know down in the comments below what you think about this and if you're planning on picking up one for yourself. Honestly, I hope they also do a Killmonger version of this. It'd be very cool. Thanks again for watching you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye now.